Hello and welcome back to my channel where I help you with entrepreneurship skills and wealth building. And today we are going to discuss 5 slow, difficult steps to becoming a millionaire. Number 1. Flip your money motivation upside down. By age 25, I was nowhere near a net worth of $1 million. I still had some debt, still lived in an apartment, but I was at least taking a salary from my own company. Progress was being made, and then my heart changed. After asking myself the question, if Jesus started a company, what would it look like? My motivation shifted from financial success to impact success. See money not as a primary goal but as a byproduct of helping a million people. You'll never become wealthy without helping people. It's that simple. Number 2. Start playing the 5 times generosity game. Wharton professor Adam Grant proves in his book Give and Take that people who give and give often are more financially successful than those who don't. But it's more complex than just being generous. In my experience, you must have something of value to be generous with. If your goal is to become wealthy, you must surround yourself with wealthy people. The problem is, wealthy people don't need much from anyone, and to be honest, they are on guard from everyone needing something from them. I quickly learned what successful people truly need was a momentum. Their success was dependent upon their consistent growth, reach, and influence. But how could I offer this? In 2009, I began acquiring large social media accounts from anyone who would sell them to me. I ran these accounts by posting inspirational content, quotes, and viral images, but it was my audience that many authors, influencers, and business owners needed to further their success. Later that year, I began having a variety of influential individuals offer to pay me to post their book or product or link. Instead, I give it them for free, and often sometime I would drive 10,000 visitors to an author's website just because I love their book. This naturally created a reciprocator effect, and as a result, these people felt slightly in debt to me. In return, they would make introduction to other successful leaders, set me up with companies who would purchase very expensive ad campaigns, and ultimately become close acquaintance of mine. Number 3. Shift from making money to creating awesome stuff. I met too many people who create business to make money, and then I've met people who create business to fuel their passion. But there is a major difference here. People making things because they want to make money, the more things they make, the more money they make. What they make doesn't really matter that much to them. They'll make anything as long as it pays. The other want to make money because it allows them to make more things. They want to improve their products, they want to build a movement, they want to create another book, another community, another film. They love what they make, and they see making money as a way to do even more of what they love. While it's very possible to find a meaningless product that can generate $1 million, most successful entrepreneurs learn that making money with what you love is more important than making money to make money. I think the great Walt Disney said it best. We don't make movies to make money, we make money to make more movies. Number 4. Spotlight your talent and become a master. Be so good that the world can't ignore you. What can you become the best in the world at? What keeps you up at night? What part of your personality is primed to succeed? If you can harness your ability to focus, fight off discouragement and press into your gift, eventually you'll be good, then you'll be great, and a few years down the road, you'll be world class. Then probably, without even noticing, you'll also be a millionaire. At least that's how it worked for me. Number 5. Launch your dream and kill the employee mentality. It's very difficult to become a millionaire as an employee. Starting your own business is truly the path of least resistance. But I can hear your thoughts now. I don't know how to start a business, but neither did I. In the fall of 2013, I shifted my heart from building to teaching. My mission was to share what I've learned and help people create a business and life they love. But if you have a business idea and don't know where to begin, just start and you will carve a path you didn't even know existed.